Okurugira Dr. Sister Mary Grace oli omuhezi w'orukurira ba RDC bono mu ihanga kishangirwe ngu abakozi ba gavumenti obwire obwingi nibakora binkwatire ki ekireesera abantu babura obuheereza. Orukiiko hagati ya Dr. Sister Mary Grace rubeire rugendereire okuhanura okubakubaasa kubaho obuheereza burungi abantu ba buriijo.
We are out on issues of service delivery, moving in the Western Sub-region, conscientizing the technical staff, politicians, and all about service delivery.
Government ya Uganda nekora ebintu byingi konko kubigambirira kukirya hansi. Omugyecho na higa abakugu ayinga binkweta technical team amaredio ngatuhache bakweta airtime.
Bamwe abakozi babushenyera ko gavumenti omu kugamba kwabo nabo bashoborire abirikubaretera oburemezo mu kukora emirimo yabo.
That those meetings are no longer being convened by most of the LOC committees. Therefore, that is where I'm drawing your attention. Perhaps we need to do something. Authorities responsible, they need to do something immediately to see that we compare these local council committees.
Dr. Sister Mary Grace yayongereye yahanangiriza abakozi ba gavumenti okukoresa akasente kake akubine ak'omushahara ngu bitu bakoreje emirimo yabo obwo barindirire enteekateeka y'okubongeza aha mishahara kutari kushitama bakaguma nibatonzya.
Of course, people talk about little money, funding, but I've asked them, the little that comes, what is it doing? Let's see impact that little. Let's see how the lives of our people changing. And then, of course, there is laxity. Absenteeism, I've asked them, why do you have to be pushed like a wheelbarrow? You know, now you lament for salary increment, but salary increment, but when you are there, you be doing your best and you lament when working.
Kandi hanshonga y'entambura y'abebembezi b'ebyaro, Dr. Sister Grace yashabira ofisi ya RDC ya Bushenyi okutandika kuchondoza hanshonga y'egaari ezahirwa abebembezi b'ebyaro kuzirabe nizikora bwanyuma y'okutunga okumanyisibwa ngu zikakora obwire buke na bwanyuma zafa.
The LOC1 who was present said the bicycles were given to LOC1s, bicycles, certain yellow bicycles were also given to NRM chairpersons in the villages, but he said those given to LOC1s are finished only 1 month and they are all down, that they were not good quality. So I've directed the office of the RDC to follow up on this matter and give us a report where the bicycles actually, how comes they finish 1 month and they break down, if they are broken down.
Gashako Olivia Nasasir.